3, 2, 1.
Welcome, gamers. Yeah, so this is Weston. You probably remember him from the last video. He's the one that almost got blown up.
Hello, gang.
Weston, how was it like almost getting blown up?
It was really fun. I would definitely do it again.
Even after the hearing damage?
What'd you say?
I don't know. Wait, I mean, like, if enough people like it, we'll definitely do part 2, probably. So, if you guys like that stuff, please just, click the like, and smash the subscribe button, all that cringe YouTube stuff. That first clip that you saw at the beginning there, about 5 seconds before this, however long it's been, was just the wooden setup. I guess I don't really have a good name for this.
Yeah, we were just throwing darts in to see if it could push them.
Yeah.
And it did. It did.
Yeah.
And we calculated it right here.
Yeah, this speed right here.
Yeah.
It should show up right here. We definitely know what it is.
It's probably not even gonna be there.
Yeah. How has it gotten worse? I haven't even touched it.
This is not some sort of build tutorial you should follow.
Yeah.
So why?
Why? Why?
I want to know why.
Well, you see, the purpose behind this gun is honestly, I just got invited to a Nerf War 2 days ago. So, yeah. All my Nerf guns are broken, so I decided I didn't want to buy a Nerf gun because that's lame. It's cringe, pulling up to Walmart and buying some cringe Minecraft Nerf gun.
Of course.
Yeah. Out of
No
clearance.
kid doesn't make their own Nerf gun.
Exactly. Also, guys, feel free in the comment section below, just throw whatever you want out there. If you have some really stupid idea, just stick it in the comment section down below. We'll probably read it. Will we do it? Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
We have no limits.
Exactly.
We're working on the nuke.
Yeah. Johnny Depp.
We're working on it.
We've listened.
Yeah. From now on, we're going to be looking for new and innovative ways of improving this gun. I tried to say innovative correctly. I just couldn't.
I know. I just made fun of you. Right?
Try this out.
Oh shoot. Yeah, that's gonna happen to the children that fight me. I don't know.
Alright, are we done for
Yeah, we're done.
So, Austin, how did you get your idea?
I will tell you, Weston. Right now. So, it's really just a flywheel. 2 drone motors spinning opposite directions. We had some motors lying around, and I thought it'd be pretty cool. It's not that deep, bro, but I guess it's a good time to get into the build portion of it. So here's a quick little compilation of me building and designing and coding, and
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
yeah.
So as you can see, it's extremely, that just broke. It's extremely ergonomic design. You know, that was the focus of this, was so that you could like go around and yeah. But it didn't really work. It's got everything that you could ever want. It's got the loose electronics that aren't really connected because I forgot to connect them prior to doing this. It's got the batteries that you have to hold on to at all times. It's got the ESCs that are just taped on, like totally secure. Yeah, everything's held together by electrical tape, and you know it's a disappointment. Yeah, but you know, life's full of disappointments. I'm one of them. If only there was a way that we could like make this into a turret.
Whoa, we put it on a turret. That's crazy. You see how I kind of just like cut to that? Like, whoa, crazy editor magic here. Nightmare fuel. Ergonomic trigger here, the most ergonomic design trigger this world has ever seen. I built this thing like 3 weeks ago and it blew up in my hand, so hopefully it doesn't do that again. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Whoa. That's a shot. So as you can see, it's kind of semi-automatic at the moment, but it's definitely shooting. Magazine garbage, as you can tell. Yeah. So Weston, buddy, you wanna try this out? Just take a look at it. Like come
Sure.
Come right here. Come on. Yeah, right there. Okay. Good job. What do you think of my thing here?
Yeah, it's really good, Us. I like it when it's not aiming at me.
Yeah. Hold on, just give me 2 seconds here. Let me just. There we go. I think that's pretty good.
What are you planning on doing with the thing?
Don't worry about it. Just some good old turret action, you know, like. Yeah, you want to press
as long as you.
Yeah, you want to press the button. Oh, there we go. Whoa, hey, look at that. Yeah. Okay, what we gotta do more? You're lucky today.
Yeah.
This is the trigger. Yeah.
This is the trigger.
Yeah, that's what turns on. Yep. You nailed it. Okay. See.
Let me just aim.
Oh, no.
It's ready to fire.
It's not even that hard, but it's still like.
One more for good luck. Yeah.
Doesn't even hurt that bad. It's just like.
It's a little bit terrifying.
I think it just looks intimidating. That's the thing. Like
It looks very sturdy.
It's very. Yeah. It looks super intimidating, but in practice, it's not very good. At all. So we're gonna do like a range test here real quick. So we've got our little menacing, sketchy looking turret right here, and it's gonna shoot down that way. So that's pretty good. So I didn't even start the thing up. Okay. Okay, I think it should be good. Alright. Let's do this. screw it. I don't know what we're doing. This thing, like we did the range test. It's about like 40 feet at least. Yeah, screw it. We're just gonna do a thumbnail shot for this, I guess. So Weston, you wanna like come up here, maybe just like, I don't know, right here or something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Bring me on. Bring it on, dude. Well, yeah, let us know if you use this terrifying monstrosity of a Nerf gun like this sometime in your Nerf battles, or just for whatever reason you need a Nerf gun like this. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, if you've got any bad ideas, this is a pretty bad idea, but if you guys have any worse ideas, leave it in the comments below. I'm running out of ideas here.